God richly bless you all. This was the song written by our beloved sister Kalisha. She sang it before she left. And we think it's so appropriate for this time. Tell me more. Amen.
Who is this Melchizedek, this king of Salem? Who is this Melchizedek, this king of Jerusalem? I am a gentile. I need to know for sure. I am a Moabite. I've worshipped foreign gods. Tell me more about this land, this different civilization, and this people who worship the Lamb. Tell me of this cities, tell me of this land, and tell me of this people who worship the Lamb. Tell me more, tell me of this earth and its generations, for I'm a Moabite sitting at the threshing floor. Yes, I have been quickened, my course he has changed, and I'm no longer a stranger, but a citizen of Jerusalem. Though I'm a gentile, I now have access to her. Yes, I'm a gentile, and there's so much I need to know. Tell me more about this land, about these dimensions and worlds, for I'm a candidate of this supernatural world. So tell me of this city, and tell me of this land, and tell me of this people who worship the Lamb. Tell me more, tell me of this earth and its generations, for I'm a candidate of this supernatural world. You told me I have three bodies, but there's only one of me. And you told me I am eternal, and with you in eternity I'll be. So tell me of this bread, and tell me of this wine, tell me of this body that's broken for me. Tell me more, tell me of this way, how to change dimensions to my theophany. That's the positive.